Hillian, I am Kale, and this is my truth. A dance of love, biology's proof. Between Ryan and me, a miracle unfolds, a bond of creation, ancient and bold. Two cocoons, two lives, one sacred dance, a cycle of life, given a chance. It begins with the fingal Ryan's sacred gift, inserted gently, its spores uplift into my rectum. The spores are released, binding to stem cells, their activity increased. My rectal wall, a fertile ground, activated cells, their potential unbound. Oh, Hillian, the dance is more than love. It's biology, a gift from above. Between Ryan and me, perfectly aligned, a tapestry of life, intricately designed. Together we weave, together we spin, a cycle of creation where life begins during love making. The act begins. Reed inserts his journey within, his semen released, his sperm adhere to my activated stem cells, drawing them near. Enzymes transform my stem cells to eggs, a process of life as nature begs. Rain sperm fertilize, the eggs divide, embryos form, cocoons arise. The cocoon Hillian, you'll soon see, expels from my rectum naturally, a vessel of life, a protective shell where embryos grow, their stories to tell. And thus the first cocoon is born, a cycle of life renewed each morn. But Hillian, the dance is not yet done, for my gift to Ryan must also run. The fingal again plays its guiding role, activating stem cells, making them whole. Into Ryan's rectum, my spores find their way, binding to stem cells as life holds sway. Oh, Hillian, the dance is more than love. It's biology, a process of life as nature begs. My sperm fertilize, the eggs divide, embryos form, cocoons arise. The second cocoon, Hillian, you'll see, expels from Wren's rectum naturally. Two cocoons, two lives, one sacred dance, a cycle of creation given a chance. Each thread of DNA uniquely combined, a tapestry of life intricately designed. Oh, Hillian, now you understand the physiology of nature's hand. Between Ryan and me, the threads align, a tapestry of